In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp web call not working. First, a quick reality check that saves a lot of frustration. Voice and video calls are only supported in the official WhatsApp desktop app, not in the browser-based WhatsApp web. So if you're trying to place or receive calls in a tab, it won't work. Start by opening your browser and searching for WhatsApp web just to confirm you're signed in there and to recognize that calls won't appear in that interface. Then switch over to the WhatsApp desktop app to continue with the fixes. Next, make sure both your computer and your phone have a strong, stable internet connection. WhatsApp routes calls through your phone account, so if either device has weak Wi-Fi, limited data, or intermittent connectivity, calls can fail to ring, drop after a few seconds, or never connect. If possible, move closer to your router, switch from a congested network to a more reliable one, pause large downloads or streams, and keep your phone unlocked and online nearby. If you're on metered data, ensure background data isn't restricted for WhatsApp on your phone. VPNs and strict networks can also block calling. Some VPNs interfere with the ports WhatsApp uses for voice and video, including UDP, TCP 3478, 3480, and 3484. If you use a VPN, try disabling it temporarily or allow-listing WhatsApp traffic. On corporate or school networks, a firewall might be the culprit, so you may need to contact your network admin to ensure those ports are open for outbound traffic. Now update the WhatsApp desktop app. Open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, and check if an update button appears. Install any available update to make sure you have the latest calling fixes and device compatibility improvements. After updating, fully quit and relaunch the app so the changes take effect. If calls still won't start, refresh your session. Open WhatsApp desktop settings and select Log Out. This clears potential sync glitches between your phone and computer. Then sign back in by relaunching the app and linking it with your phone. Once you're reconnected, place a quick test call to a trusted contact. As you test, confirm that your computer has given WhatsApp permission to use the microphone and camera. If your call connects but no one can hear you, pick the correct mic and speakers inside the call window and ensure system privacy settings allow access. With a reliable connection, no blocking VPN, the latest desktop app, a fresh login, and proper permissions, WhatsApp desktop calling should work smoothly.